Okay, what my hint is here is calculate the probability that a randomly selected student owned a cell phone but no tablet, and his or her parents did not pay monthly charges. So here we're going to have cell, here we're going to have tablet, and here we're going to have parents pay. Okay, so I've got those from cell phone, tablets, and parents pay. Okay, now we know that there's 750 students somewhere in this question. Let's just check where that was. So in here we had now, where does it say 750? Hang on, better find it. Okay, that was hidden in here. 750 students in the school. So, boy, you've got to find the information, that's for sure. So we've got 750, so we know that. 750 people. Okay. 88% owned a cell phone. So we can actually tell, if we get our calculator out, 0.88 times 750. We convert that to numbers so we know we've got 660. That are the total amount that have a cell. And we can work out who had a tablet from our probability tree. So for that one, it's a little bit of a pain, if you get what I mean. We've got to go 0.88 has a cell times 0.65 has a smart times or divide by 3. That'll be the ones that have a cell phone, that have a smartphone, that have a tablet, plus the 0.88 times the 0.35 times 2 divided by 3. So that's the 2/3 that have a dumb phone and a tablet, plus the 0.06 that have a tablet and no cell. And so we need to times that by 750, and we get 342. So 342 actually have a tablet. So that was 342. Now, a tablet and a cell, if we go back to here, a tablet and a cell was these guys here. So it was the 0.45 times the 750 was a tablet. Oh, I've got something wrong there, sorry. 0.456 minus my 0.06, and then I times that by my 750. So there was 297 that had a tablet and a cell. So that must be in this bit here. It's got to be 297. Okay. So if there's 297 that have a tablet and a cell, then the 342 less the 297 must be 45 that just have a tablet. We don't know if the parents pay or not. Okay, in no case do parents pay for nothing, so there's a 0 there. And the 660 is that whole area, so we know our 660 less our 297, we know there's going to be 363 in here. So it's all very messy if you ask me. have we got all this information in there? 6% of students owned a tablet and no cell phone. Oh, that was our 45. Okay. The parents of 324 students pay the monthly charges. So we know that the amount that they don't, how many students actually have. So some of them don't have anything at all. So we need to find out how many students are out here where they don't have a cell and they don't have a tablet. So that was 0.06 as well. So that was also the 45. Memory? Yes. So there's 45 students out here. Okay. So what we're actually looking for is this bit here. That is going to be 324 students where the parents pay for either a cell and a tablet, or a tablet. Parents paid monthly charges for all students who had a tablet. So that means there's nothing in here, so that 45 has to be in here, and in fact the 342. But that doesn't add up, because only 324 parents paid, and I've got 342 with a tablet. Oh, that lovely word here, only. So those 45 are being paid for, and there's 0 there. So that's sweet. Okay, next thought. Okay, here we have 150 students owned a cell phone and a tablet. So that's a cell phone and a tablet, but their parents did not pay their monthly charges. So that's that bit in there. If that's 150, somehow I can write 150 in there, then I've got to take my 297 less my 150, I get 147. Okay, so I get 147. So the 147 and the 150 add to the 297. So here we've got a cell and a tablet, and the parents did not pay, so we've got 147 there. Now if I take my 324 and I minus my 147 and I minus my 45, I actually get 132. So if that's 132, then, whoops, if I take 363 less my 132, I get my 231. So in here, that's got to be 231. Now let's just check the answer. So I'm just going to grab that for a minute. So I've got my 231, my 150, my 147, my 132, my 45, my 0 and my 0. So I have got that same probability tree. Now what's the question? Calculate the probability that chosen at random a student owned a cell phone but no tablet, and the parents, this is parents pay, and the parents did not pay. So the did not pay is there. Whoops, sorry. A cell phone and a tablet, and the parents did not pay. That's the 150. Okay, so let's grab here. Oh, whoops. A cell phone and no tablet, and parents do not pay. Gosh, don't you hate the language? A cell phone and no tablet, and the parents don't pay. So that's where the 231 over the 750 comes from. And that is horrible. Truly.